Want to save a significant amount of money in just 30 days? Today, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step plan to save money fast without feeling deprived. Let's dive in. The first step is to set a clear savings goal. Decide exactly how much you want to save this month. For example, $500 in 30 days means saving around $16 or $17 each day. Writing it down makes it real and keeps you motivated. Next, track every single expense. Use a notebook, spreadsheet, or apps like Mint or YNAB. This will show you where your money is really going and highlight unnecessary spending like extra coffee runs or unused subscriptions. Cut out non-essential expenses. Cancel subscriptions you don't use, eat out less, and avoid impulse purchases. Try the 48-hour rule. Wait 2 days before buying anything non-essential. Often, you'll realize you don't really need it. Increase your income to reach your goal faster. Sell unused items online, pick up small freelance jobs, or offer a skill you have, like tutoring or graphic design. Every extra dollar counts. Automate your savings. Set up a separate account and schedule automatic transfers daily or weekly. This way you pay yourself first, and it's much harder to spend that money. Try the cash envelope method. Allocate cash for essentials only. Once the envelope is empty, you can't spend more. This method helps you stick to your budget and avoid overspending. Delay big purchases for 30 days. Often the urge to buy passes and you end up saving money you didn't expect. Check your progress at the halfway mark. Adjust your spending if needed. Cut more unnecessary expenses or pick up a small gig to stay on track. And that's it. Stick to this plan and you can save a significant amount in just 30 days. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making smart choices. Start today and watch your savings grow.